Hello friends, my name Mr. Goswami sir. I am working in KGK Higher Secondary School, Kubeynagar, Bangla area. As you know, there is a problem in our country, COVID-19, and because of that, it is not possible to teach in the school. So our school managed online teaching. So today I am going to teach you economics. Chapter number 4, banking and monetary policy. And in this chapter, I am going to teach functions of RBI. That means there are so many responsibilities of the RBI to perform for the country. Now, before that, according to the RBI Act 1934, RBI was established in 1st April 1935. But on that time, RBI was private bank. But after independence, 1st January 1949, RBI was nationalized. From 1947 to till, RBI performed so many responsibilities. Now, the first is currency issuing. Second one, banker to the government. Third one, bankers bank and lender of last resort. Fourth one, credit control. And fifth one, custodian of foreign exchange reserves. Now, I am going to explain all the points one by one. So, first one, currency issue. RBI issued the currency note from rupees 2 to 2000 rupees note. Now, here RBI puts gold and foreign exchange as a reserve and issue the currency notes. 1 rupees notes and all currency coins issued by the Finance Ministry of Government of India. RBI plays as an agent of Government of India. So in this way, supply of money provided by RBI to the government or Indian economy. Second one, banker to the government. Normally, people have the account in different banks and different kind of banks manage the account of the people. Same way, RBI manage account of government, central government as well as state government. RBI plays as a banker, advisor and agent of the central government. Also, of the state governments. RBI manages government bonds, accounts, currency coins and notes of 1 rupees. RBI provides loan to the government. That means whenever any emergency and the government needs the currency, on that time RBI provides loan to the government. So in this way, RBI plays banker to the government. Third one, bankers bank and lend of last resort. RBI plays the role of the banker and regulator of all the scheduled bank and the country. RBI manages the CRR of banks, CRR. CRR is one of the tools to control the money supply in the market. Here CRR, cash reserve ratio. According to the RBI rules, each and every bank puts CRR out of total deposit of the bank. So this way RBI orders to all the Scheduled Bank of India to put CRR in the bank and control supply of money. Now determines the direction of credit. That means how commercial banks give the loan to the people. According to the guidelines of the RBI, different kind of commercial banks provide the loan to the people. After that, directs the credit policy. Credit policy means RBI control supply of money and demand of money in Indian economy. So here, by using the credit policy, RBI control inflation and maintain the situation of depression. Then determines the interest for all banks. Now here two things. One is the bank rate and other is the interest rate. Normally people think both are same. Bank rate and interest rate. Bank rate means on the rate which commercial banks borrow the loan from the RBI. And interest rate means all the commercial banks provide the loan to the people. That is known as interest rate. So here RBI determined the bank rate, and according to the bank rate, all the commercial banks decide the interest rate. Lender of the last resort in emergency. Suppose central government or the state government or the commercial bank have any emergency or any money crisis, on that time RBI provides the loan to the central government, state governments or commercial banks. So RBI plays a role bankers bank and lender of last resort. Now the next one is credit control. Credit controls, that means controls credit creation. That other word, controls money supply in economy. How the RBI control the money supply? By using the monetary policy. And in the next question, we have to learn monetary policy. Now here the simple way, monetary policy, there are so many tools. One is the bank rate, second is the repo rate and reverse repo rate, third is the CRR, fourth is the SLR. So different kind of the monetary policies used by the RBI to control money supply in economy. And in this way, RBI credit control done. Now, the next one, custodian of foreign exchange reserves. Friends, first of all, what is foreign exchange? Normally students think foreign exchange means exchanging of money, exchanging of dollar, but no. Foreign exchange means currencies of different countries. So here RBI manages foreign currency. Now here RBI to maintain the value of Indian rupees against other currencies by buying and selling foreign exchange in open market. In the newspaper, you see $1 is equal to 75 rupees. How this exchange rate determined? So in the open market, RBI or other countries purchasing and selling the different currencies according to the demand and supply of different kind of currencies. Now, here RBI maintain Indian rupees. So, in the open market, wherever need, RBI purchases the foreign currency and whenever required, they sell the Indian currency. So here maintain supply and demand of foreign exchange by RBI. Thank you, friends.